How would you say that the digital asset and PIM industry in general is evolving, and what type of impact does this have on customers of yours? Are there, sorts of emerging trends or changes that businesses should be thinking about going forward?
People don't even talk about it much now, thankfully. But pre-COVID, the big thing was all about customer intimacy. And what does that mean? That means that I'm a consumer. I come to your website regularly, so therefore, you should start to know me. I'm buying quite a few things from you, and so what you're expecting is that I'm presenting you with, okay, you might have looked for this item, but you'll always be then given options, etc. And what a consumer's expecting increasingly is that those options are increasingly relevant to them. So again, when you describe a product, most people, if you had the same product, let's say a red dress, and you got 100 people around the world, and you said, give me 20 words that describe that red dress, the overlap would be pretty small. Maybe red and dress, and maybe the sleeve length or whatever. But then they'll rapidly get into their own local sort of how they describe things, their own lexicon, as it were. And again, with AI now, it's enabling it to sort of like make it more commercially viable to be able to say, well, what are all the different words that somebody could possibly describe this object as? And why is that important? Well, it's important because if somebody comes on their website, they're going to be coming on and searching, in the language and the lexicon that they know. And actually, if you don't have it, then more often than not, you might have products that they wanted, but you never surfaced because they'd not sort of got it connected. And so those are the things that are really sort of pushing ahead at the moment, which is, I'll say in summary, it's sort of like being able to do the customer intimacy now because of AI and AI generated product descriptions, and also being able to actually allow a consumer to find things on your website that you previously had, but you maybe didn't realize that that's what they were asking for.